These are the elevators at the Sarasota Memorial Hospital medical office building in Venice, Florida.
Going up.
Let's go to 2.
Second floor. Going down.
So this is a HydroFit with the Gen 3 voice.
First floor. Going up.
We'll send this one up and catch the other one. The one on the left is just open its doors.
Going up.
Let's go to 2. Both these have a 3,500 pound capacity, pretty typical.
Second floor. Going down.
We'll end the video down at 1.
First floor. Going up.